It's a pleasure to have you here. Can we have your views on, in the current economic scenario, how important and relevant is the Indian economy for the global world, or maybe the developed and the developing economies?
So, number one, I think as a country we have come a long way. We are acknowledged as come a long way. We are seen as a powerhouse in multiple areas. So when people think of India, it is seen as a talent hub, a country which produces 1 million engineers who predominantly speaks English. So it's seen as a talent hub. It is a new market, right? If you look at the emerging middle class, you have 300 million people who are emerging middle class. You have access to information across the country. The cost of digital information is much lower. So in fact, the digital divide which we talk about in various other parts of the world do not exist to that extent in India, which means that there are opportunities for products and services to be provided. So it is seen as an emerging market, a very strong emerging market, which is a need of the hour for developed countries. Right? They need markets into which they can provide their products and services. And the third one is also equally important. It is definitely starting to be seen as an innovation hub, right? For example, if you look at the nano experience, the concept of frugal innovation, it is not about creating a low quality product. It is creating a new process which will create a product which is very relevant to the market. If you look at a bank like ICICI, where the transaction cost is probably 1/100th of the global transaction cost. If you look at what is happening with Airtel Money, where you are creating transaction on the mobile phones, these are all innovations. If you look at Narayana Hrudayalaya, or if you look at the cost of doing an eye surgery, these are all fundamental innovations which are happening in that country. So if you look at as a country and the relevance, these are in 3 dimensions. Number one, as a new market, an emerging market, an emerging middle class, which has disposable income. Second, a powerhouse for talent. Yes, we have work to do. We have to make sure that they are multinational ready. But as a country, we are producing 1 million engineers and mostly English speaking. Third, as an innovation hub, not only for India but for the rest of the world, because whatever innovation happens in India can be easily used in other parts of the world. So when you talk about healthcare costs going up in other parts of the world, if you can apply some of the philosophies which are used in India, that is very relevant for the developed world. So as a country, we are very relevant in today's world.